In this video, we're going to talk about the Vega of an option. So the Vega is the risk that volatility changes, and this risk is outside of the Black-Scholes-Merton framework, meaning that one of the key assumptions of the Black-Scholes-Merton framework is that volatility cannot change or should not change. And of course, it's observed that implied volatility in an option can and does change. And there are events that could significantly change the market perception of future volatility. And thus, volatility does change. And so we need to think about how our portfolio might behave when volatility changes. Now, it is fairly straightforward. So if we buy 1,000 options, this is a call option, the strike of 100, maturity 1 year, we're buying them at fair value. If volatility increases, the value of the option increases. So if we look at our chart and look at our Vega, we see that the Vega is positive if we're long options. The Vega of a call is the same as the Vega of a put. And if we change our position and go short the options, so we'll sell 1,000 call options, strike of 100, maturity 1 year, and we look at our Vega, we can see the sign of the Vega has flipped. We have a negative Vega. Now, the Vega and the Gamma tell us similar things, right? If we're long options, we have a positive Vega. If we're short options, we have a negative Vega. We need options in order to have a Vega. The Vega on other contracts like zero coupon bonds and forward contracts and the stock itself, those don't contribute to Vega. So Vega comes from options. If we're long an option, we have a positive Vega. If we're short an option, we have a negative Vega. We can offset a positive Vega and a negative Vega using options with different maturities or perhaps different strikes, and we can have no exposure to Vega in a portfolio if we so choose.